Today we were gonna make chocolate out of some raw cacao beans, but have a little problem. So over here I have some cacao beans that have been fermenting for about 7 days, but unfortunately I did a big mistake. When you ferment them, you gotta put them in a dark place, but I completely forgot to do that. I left it on the counter and it was exposed to some sunlight, and there seems to be some funk growing on top of it. And we're gonna find out together if we can salvage these cacao beans together. Please don't do this at home because I don't want you guys getting sick. This is just an experiment. So over here I have my cocoa beans. I've been rinsing them for a good 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put these cocoa beans on this baking tray. We're gonna spread it out so it can bake evenly. So let's stick this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half. Now coming out straight out of the oven, these cocoa beans are a little too hot to handle. I'm gonna let them cool off before we're able to remove the husk. Just go here and gently remove the husk like that. It smells like chocolate. So I removed all the husk. Let's do a little taste test. Hopefully it's safe to eat. It really tastes like dark chocolate. If you crush these, it creates what it's called cacao nibs. Now that we have our cacao nibs, we're gonna put it in a blender. Now we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. Now, according to a famous YouTuber, if you wanna make some simple chocolate, all you need is some cacao nibs and some sugar. Let's blend it. I don't know what's going on here. I've been blending this for over 20 minutes and I still don't got a pasty chocolate texture like in the video that I saw before. I'm a little bit disappointed. I love that YouTuber. I really believed I could make some beautiful chocolate out of it. I wish that he could tell me exactly how he did it. Maybe I have the wrong blender. Maybe I roasted the cacao beans too long. I don't know. There's a lot of things I probably did wrong on my end. Let me know in the comments below if you were able to make the chocolate with his recipe. Till next time, check out these other great videos and make sure to subscribe to this channel.